Hello, friend. How was your day?
Your children will always be engaged and happy with
That
ROYBI.
is the question. What was that?
Hello, John.
And as your child grows up, ROYBI does too. It learns and develops alongside your child. ROYBI is a great companion for your child, but most importantly, it is access to a huge, cloud-based, ever-developing, and state-of-the-art educational curriculum. With a few simple taps of ROYBI's app, you can set lessons for your child and track their daily or weekly progress and activities.
Smartphone, smartwatch, and an AI speaker.
Hey Mom, tell everyone how great the NOVUS is. She's on to us.
With it, I can take photos or even record short videos. It's easy to pair up with other NOVUS smart devices, and the battery lasts all day. Yeah, I'd like to order a large with extra toppings.
Jack, I'm in the room with you.
We designed and developed Active Puzzle, a simple language for playing with electronics and for building cute robots. For 8 years, we've been trying to challenge children with science and technology ideas, but there were always language barriers. Besides, kids just wanted to play a lot more than they wanted to learn. So we finally discovered the first game that allows them to express their ideas in a universal language. Puzzles, the language they learn before they start talking.
Meet StoryPod, a magical speaker enabled by lovable yarn figurines we call crafties that let kids interact with stories, music, books, and games. There's a whole wonderful world of crafties, and they're bilingual in English and Spanish. There are story crafties with classics, fairy tales, and original stories.
This is Cutie, the most educational and captivating robot kit for STEAM education. Through an easy drag-and-drop program, Cutie streamlines operations and empowers the mind to simply enjoy creating. We also add multiple servos and sensors to our kit to help kids build motor skills, improve hand-eye coordination. With the expertly designed Cutie kit, whatever a child envisions can be brought to life through technology and inspiration. Kids can also create code, play games using the Cutie app, and wirelessly control their robot through Bluetooth. Bring playtime and learning seamlessly together. That's the spirit behind Cutie, the most educational and captivating robot kit for STEAM education. It not only familiarizes kids with microbit, but mechanical engineering too. Not only that, QD is compatible with Lego. More and more creations and gameplay can be achieved. This is Cutie, powered by Microbit, and it's taking STEAM robot kits to a new level.
Introducing the Gunalupo, an interactive smart water bottle that helps your child to stay hydrated. Features a wireless charging cradle, so all you have to do is drop it in the dock and the bottle will charge overnight, giving you relief from recharging hassles. It features a colorful display which allows your kids to play fun games and unlock new stages while drinking water to keep your child engaged with fresh and exciting new challenges. It comes with a smartphone app which lets the parents see how much their kids are drinking throughout the day on their smartphones. Yuki, a music player that your kids can independently use in a safe and screen-free environment to listen to their favorite music and bedtime stories. It comes with 5 different characters and each of them are linked to a kids-friendly playlist.